Alright, super annoying way to start off the day. I was about to start a daily dash, but my freaking keys don't work because the battery is dead. This is the most annoying thing that could have possibly happened to start the day, because I don't know if they sell batteries in the hotel. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's go see if they have batteries in the hotel, I guess. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes. My lens is dirty still. What I did was I took the whole thing apart, put it back together, and got enough for the battery to turn on, at least. So obviously we need to go buy a freaking battery before we go do anything. But so today, the whole reason of this drive, if you guys watched yesterday's video in the vlog, I talked about how poor of quality Forever 21's shirts were, and I ate my words. And I said that I still bought from them anyways. Bam, look at that. That's supposed to be a button. The button ripped through the jacket on like the third time that I put it on. God. They make clothes that look really good. Like, look, here's both sides of the button right here. Oh, yeah. Anyways, okay. So today, other than what we are going to do, we are talking about DoorDash's reduction in orders for drivers and why that's happening, and also what you guys can do about it. So, alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Now we are on the road, okay? Driving the CVS to get a freaking battery so my car can turn on again. Man, that's the worst thing about having a remote start car. Super annoying. Anyway, so today's video is sponsored by Para. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys check out the Para app. Para is an app that's going to help you get full tip transparency, because DoorDash likes to hide your tips from you, which is super annoying. Just about every single day that I'm dashing and using the Para app, I find orders that I'm not sure if I want to take, but then I realize they're actually a great order. Download the Para app. It's at the top of my description right down below. Gotta take this call. It's important. Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Okay, man, that is possibly the most annoying customer that I've ever had order a pair of shoes in my life, because okay, first of all, he calls me and it's like, the website's not working. And I was like, what do you mean the website's not working? He's like, I'm trying to order shoes on your website. And I was like, oh, okay. What website are you typing in? They're like, offaccessacrobatic.com. And I was like, did you put the S at the end? Off Access Acrobatics? And they're like, no. And I was like, okay, well, try typing in Off Access Acrobatics, because you're gonna need the S on the end. They like type it in, they're like, oh, okay, it works now. And I was like, okay, is there anything I can help you with? He's like, no. So he orders the shoes, not complaining at all. He's a good customer. He didn't use any discount codes, bought it full price. The next day calls, so when are they gonna ship out? I'm like, sir, they're already packed up. They're gonna ship out later today. He's like, okay, good. I just wanted to make sure. I was like, okay, no problem. So calls me. It's been 2 days. Like, we use 2-day shipping, so the orders get there real quick. Calls me back today. He's like, it says it's supposed to arrive today. What time can I expect it? I was like, I don't know, man. It's out of my control. It's the USPS that is shipping your order, not me personally. Like, I can't tell you. He's like, okay, I'll let you know. Bye. And that's exactly how he sounds too. It's like super weird. I hope it's not someone who watches this YouTube channel. And then calls back later and is like, hey, it says it arrived, but it's not here yet. And I'm like, I don't know, man. Like, I'm not the USPS. I can't really tell you. Like, try calling them. Anyways, okay, so that's how my day's going so far. So, back to DoorDash and the Para app and all that stuff. So, make sure you guys click on the link down below. It's at the top of the description. Download the Para app. So, we're going to talk about why DoorDash is going to be basically reducing your guys' orders, and why they already did, and why you should be prepared and what you should do. So, the reason is because DoorDash is always getting smarter. You're basically like competing with an algorithm, you know. They are trying to make their app as efficient as possible, save as much money as possible, and use the least amount of work possible. If they can have one driver deliver 2 orders, they're totally on the way. it's gonna help them rather than have two drivers do two different orders. It doesn't help us at all because there's less orders for us to choose from and less work basically. So DoorDash is constantly going to be in this cycle of like improving their algorithm, giving us less orders, and I'm sure you guys have noticed how often you're doing double orders is significant compared to what you used to be doing. Like, it used to be pretty damn rare that we would even get a double order. Now it's like every single order you at least get like one offer, you know? And that's just a way to like make it more convenient for DoorDash as an app. And if they have an active driver who, like, you even heard the president, if you watched the rideshare guy's video with him, they are offering the DoorDash drivers who are most active all of the orders basically. So if you're denying a lot of orders, it's unfortunate, but I'm still going to deny all the orders, you know? That's why I use the Paro app. But what I'm getting at is what you guys should do moving forward. One, get on multiple gig driving apps. If gig driving is your only source of income, you are not safe. Don't ever feel safe if you only have one source of income. Worst situation you could ever put yourself in. You might get deactivated, you might crash your car. Like, there's so many things that could happen. Maybe DoorDash just implodes like Postmates did and orders just stop coming in. Something happens. Who knows? God forbid, like, you can't work anymore. That's why you really need to diversify your incomes. And some people even tell me that I should call my channel Diversified Incomes. But I'm serious, though. Ever since I divided my incomes into, like, I have, like, 4 or 5 different revenue streams just right now. Life is so much safer. Like, I don't have to worry about like one of them going down and then I'm screwed. So really looking at different ways that you can diversify your income. Like I said, YouTube channel is amazing. I love it. It is a lot of work up front though, and there's no guarantee that you will be successful. Blogs, write about something that you enjoy doing. Try to get some kind of at-home internet income, because not only can you do it at home, you can do it when you're driving around and waiting for orders or something like that. I think blogs is a great way to create some passive income. Other than that, Craigslist, whatever you enjoy doing. Just go on Craigslist or LinkedIn or search the internet for other ways of making income. And because obviously I don't have all the answers, but I have ideas, lots of ideas, guys. But of course I'm not the smartest person in the world, so I can't give you guys an exact job to go to, but you should totally try to diversify your incomes and not just rely on DoorDash. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys are doing as secondary sources of income or third sources of income. Or if you want to list all your incomes, comment them down below. I love seeing that stuff. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys answer down the question. What am I even saying? I'm so bad. I need more coffee. That's what it is. Anyways, okay. So that's what I'm talking about today. Diversify your income, guys. Don't rely on just DoorDash. Please don't do that, because, man, the worst case scenario, you get a bad customer and you get deactivated or something like that comes along. It's not going to be a fun time. And at least take the next period between your orders to go and apply to a different, like maybe it's Uber Eats or maybe it's Grubhub or whichever one you aren't doing yet. Maybe it's Instacart. Instacart's a totally different, like basically almost a different kind of platform, you know? Or maybe it's rideshare. Who knows? I don't like rideshare in my opinion, but it is what it is. Alright, anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Please just smash that thumbs up button. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace.